Bullish Dogecoin cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 35 cents and 67 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept Doge could reach 27 cents by 2025. Bearish Dogecoin market cost expectation for 2023 is 6 cents. Dogecoin presentation programming designers Billy Marcus and Jackson Palmer thought of the thought for Dogecoin, otherwise called Doge D, as a joke in light of the then wild cryptographic money hypothesis. It is viewed as the first image coin and the first canine coin, all the more explicitly. In spite of being snide, certain individuals view it as a practical monetary open door. The Shiba Inu canine's face from the Doge image fills in as Dogecoin's symbol and namesake. Following its send-off on December 6, 2013, it quickly settled its web-based local area, and by May 5, 2021, had a market capitalization of more than $85 billion. It presently fills in as Watford's only sleeve support in the Chief Association. If it's not too much trouble, note that the forecasts recorded underneath are planned to give general data and ought not be viewed as speculation guidance. We suggest talking with experts first prior to making any Dogecoin ventures. Anyway, we should jump into this blog entry to find out more, will we? What is Dogecoin? Distributed, open-source cryptographic money. Dogecoin works over the web. It is viewed as an elective cash and an amusing image coin. A delineation of a Shiba Inu canine fills in as Dogecoin's logo, which was presented in December 2013. In spite of the fact that it was at first considered as a joke, Dogecoin has filled in ubiquity. At the point when the digital money bubble burst in late 2017, it drove a few coins' qualities a lot higher. When a center of allies actually exchanged Dogecoin and used it to tip for content on Twitter and Reddit, despite the fact that it lost a lot of its worth after the air pocket burst in 2018. On internet-based trades for computerized monetary standards, clients can buy and sell Dogecoin. What's more, they can choose whether to keep their Dogecoin in a wallet or on a trade. Since there is a cap on the complete number of coins that might be given, digital currencies like Bitcoin are deflationary. However, Dogecoin is an inflationary coin. This is on the grounds that the quantity of Bitcoins delivered into courses mining rewards is divided at regular intervals. And until all coins are given, so is the expansion rate. Dogecoin crucial examination. It's memorables basic that not at all like in that frame of mind of the financial exchange. Most digital currencies are projects as opposed to enterprises. Hence, you can assess regardless of whether a cryptographic money is worth the effort by directing a proper basic examination and taking into account all the data accessible about the undertaking. Major examination is worried about deciding a resource's inborn worth. For instance, you can decide whether a cryptographic money is exaggerated or underestimated by thinking about different interior and outside components. For Dogecoin, there are various offers. The way that it isn't covered makes the offer increment. The upsides of supporting the organization are recognized all through the entire mining biological system. There is currently no rush toward an affirmed hard cap. This settles the organization's possibilities for what's to come. Therefore, Dogecoin's worth can rise, further guaranteeing environment development, in spite of the fact that its commencement was set apart by specialists and content makers tipping each other. It has developed into a completely practical money that can be utilized for ordinary uses. Dogecoin is presently worth 7 cents USD. Doge has moved 1.40% as of now with an exchanging volume of $313,935,276. Dogecoin is presently positioned 8 among all cryptographic forms of money with a market capitalization of $11,067,376,510 USD. Our cost expectation figures utilize continuous Dogecoin market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Dogecoin value expectation 2023. Dogecoin, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding cryptographic forms of money to rise this year. The Doge cost estimate for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be slow, however no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 11 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is attainable soon given expected coordinated efforts and headways. Doge is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2024 of every 2024. Dogecoin Doge cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the likely declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of Doge will before long outperform 19 cents. In any case, we ought to hold on to check whether the Doge general strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, Doge will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 15 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 17 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 27 cents and Doge might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Doge is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 25 cents and a low of 23 cents in 2025. Dogecoin value expectation 2026. In the event that Dogecoin effectively supports market opinion among digital money lovers, the Dogecoin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, Doge will be green in 2026. The Doge is supposed to reach and outperform its unequaled high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 35 cents, with a base cost of 31 cents and a typical cost of 33 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2027. After some broad gauging and specialized investigation, we gauge the Doge cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 41 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 39 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, Doge has a greatest value worth of 43 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come, organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 49 cents. In the event that Doge figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 51 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help Doge needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 47 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2029. While Doge is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry association, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 55 cents and a yearly cost close above 59 cents in 2029. Dogecoin value forecast 2030. By 2030, Dogecoin will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 63 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 67 cents, averaging out at 65 cents. Dogecoin value expectation 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gauging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to conjecture future sticker costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary counsel, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the greatest Doge cost in 2031 is projected to be 77 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 74 cents. And, as one of the first elective monetary forms, Dogecoin was created as a fast and quick installment framework in light of the Litecoin blockchain design. The task's objective was to fabricate serious areas of strength for a base for an engaging and easy-to-use Litecoin elective. When Dogecoin started, the possibility of digital forms of money had proactively acquired broad acknowledgement, with Bitcoin arriving at new highs on the lookout. Subsequently, the Dogecoin people group immediately framed to advance and address Dogecoin, which was at first promoted as an image coin. Doge, a notable and popular image, is portrayed in the Shiba Inu canine variety's famous logo for Dogecoin. Notwithstanding all chances, Doge has ascended to the highest point of the digital money market, for the most part due to online entertainment publicity.